All right, we made it to Wisconsin. We are gonna go see the Thomas Dambo Trail. And I think this was the least amount of effort we ever had going to a Thomas Dambo Trail. Right, so the cool thing about this one is the light posts are all bent because I believe they said this one's a girl, right?
Yes.
So she thinks they're flowers and she's smelling them. She's picking the light posts. So it's a brand new park here.
It's pretty park.
And how bad am I gonna mispronounce this and get yelled at in the comments?
No, yeah.
Wauwatosa, Wisconsin?
We're gonna go with that.
We go with that one?
Wauwatosa.
So Thomas Dambo likes to reuse things that he finds around for inspiration. Mama Rosa.
Mama Rosa.
There you go. Look at that, the grass isn't even grown yet.
Looks like they didn't do a pupil party because her eyes are closed.
No pupil party.
Yep.
Closed eyes. So the lights actually light up, which is really cool.
Actually light up.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's a little bit bright.
I have glasses, but you know.
There's Mama Rosa.
It's Mama Rosa.
Alright, so this one they do not want you to climb on it, so they kind of set it up so you can't really get close to her. Looks like they got a little photo spot, little walkway there in front of her. No pupil parties. They just unveiled here, I think it was last week we were gonna go, but you know, we were planning our trip to Punta Cana, so we kind of, Leah was a little stressed and stuff, and I was like, nah, we could just run right up there. It's like an hour and 20 minutes. It's one of the closest Thomas Dambo trails since they had them at the Morton Arboretum in Morton Grove.
So we missed
The first ones, I only saw the one that was off the highway or the interstate. It was the first Thomas Dambo trail I saw. So there's like a tax, I believe the businesses pay in the community, so they use like their tourism dollars to have Thomas Dambo come and build the trail. Oh, is he taking a picture?
I was just thinking, I probably never that way. Excuse me. But you don't want me in the picture?
I mean, you're welcome to be in it as long as you make a cute pose.
Alright, CJ always looks miserable.
It's not true. Sometimes he has fun.
Yeah. He's like, why did you wake me up, Dad?
He's like, I'm still jet lagging.
Yeah. Alright. Mama Rosa.
Mama Rosa.
Like I was saying, they have like a tourism tax, and that's how they paid for this new park here. So far I haven't seen any birdhouses though. There's like a whole path there.
Maybe the birdhouses are down that way.
So usually his trademark is to build a bunch of birdhouses, but
There's that thing.
the bench?
That's a bench.
It's a pretty cool bench. I don't think it's his though. Alright, so it's got this beautiful park here. Looks like fun. I would have enjoyed that as a kid. So at least CJ might put a smile on his face. So up there they got a pump track. So if you like riding bikes and stuff. Reminds me of my friend Greg who passed away. Loved the BMX and pump tracks and stuff like that. Probably would have enjoyed it. I don't know if CJ's gonna wake up enough to enjoy this. We dragged him out because he has summer school. Needs to be awake. Can't sleep all day. Like the other kids who are on summer break. Oh, so this is a really cool wood carving bench here. It's cool. It's got a gnome. Is that gnome David? Is that David the gnome? Look at this. Getting another angle of Mama Rose. And you still got like another broken light pole over there. So they didn't break them. These were all beat up stuff over at the city works because they were replacing them.
I think the one in Oregon is still my favorite one.
The one in the house?
The one in the house is still my favorite one.
Yeah, the one in Portland. Oh God, I can't remember his name now.
Like Barron or something like that. Starts with a B.
Yeah. Yeah, Portland, still our favorite. We still got to get out to Detroit Lakes.
So I could see better.
So we were up in Maine and we were gonna go and see a bunch of the Thomas Dambo trolls out there. But
Leah loves you.
we kind of forgot we had one extra day in there, so all our plans got pushed. And like as we were in Salem, Massachusetts, and all that, we actually had an extra day that we could have got over and seen some more Thomas Dambo trolls there on the East Coast.
This is watching me.
And then we were going to go to the Rhode Island.
Uh-huh.
And then they had a couple there. I think, Rhode Island had 2? And then
Rhode Island has
then
2.
the other one had...
The other one has 3.
It had a bunch.
Yes. More than 2.
But if we get to Detroit Lakes, we get a lot. We get a big bunny. We get
4.
the tall guy. We get
The tallest one he's built,
the
yes.
tallest one, yeah. And then if we ever go up towards like Norway and stuff, you see a ton of them. Like that map, the troll map online is so many all over there.
There's a couple down in like Kentucky area, wasn't there? The south?
Yeah. And then one in Florida. Then there's the rusty one in, I think that was New Jersey.
Oh, that one's in New Jersey.
And maybe we'll see a couple in Colorado, the one in Colorado.
There's
2 in Colorado.
2 in Colorado.
So, and we got 2 more over by Seattle that we haven't seen that are on the islands. So if we get back out there, we'll see those 2. The Bird King and whatever the other one was. And since they were talking about...
Fisherman or some sort, right?
I don't think so. The Beard Fisherman's UP. We saw him, Benny. But yeah, they just said they were gonna make Practical Magic 2, and we were talking about going up to Washington. So
4-day weekend.
a 4-day weekend, do Olympia, do the Mossy Trail, and check out a couple other things out there that we didn't get to do. She wants one last picture. One last picture before we leave. So they have like a little nest thing. There's not like any extra Thomas Dambo stuff around here that we can see. I didn't see any birdhouses.
No.
No little like path to find them or anything. It's just
the lampposts that are kind of...
the lampposts, the bent lampposts are really cool. Like I don't know if there's any birdhouses or anything.
Let's get a bandy.
All right, so there's the pump track. It's got a little banked up wall there. We never had anything like this. When I was a kid riding bikes, we just had empty lots and stuff that we would build dirt jumps and stuff like this. That's pretty cool that they did it. Looks like a really nice park. The trolls why I'm here though. I think the police station and stuff is like right behind there also.
You gotta do
Look for the little kids, little pump track. No, my lens was a little smudged up. I hope everything came out good. We got like 3 different camera lenses. Alright, so CJ hurt his hand already. So Leah took him back to the car to get a bandage. It's like all our kids are falling apart. There's another cool bench here. Yeah, there's no signs or whatever by there, so there's a bunch of people getting up close like you do on a majority of the other ones, like the ones we saw over by Dayton, Ohio. You can pretty much like crawl up on them and hang out, take a picture, cupped in their hands and stuff. So if they're not supposed to, you should probably put up a sign. The grass needs to grow. Anyways, Wauwatosa, if I said that right, the Firefly Grove Park is where the newest Thomas Dambo troll in America is. So check it out. So you're gonna be okay?
Yeah.
All right.
The blood doesn't
You're not awake. You're not awake this morning? No.
He's not.
So I'm gonna start the car because it's starting to get a little warm. So yeah, definitely a popular, cute park here. So should definitely check this one out. This is like the easiest troll to see. I mean, I guess.
Is it a permanent fixture?
Is it a permanent? It's as long as they want to keep it, right?
I guess that's right.
I don't think it's on loan or anything. But the Nordic Museum, I believe, in Seattle, that one, Splinter or something, the one where he's stepping on the box, that one's really easy to find also. And I guess Benny Two Trees, or Jacob. Was it Jacob Two Trees?
Jacob Two Trees, yeah, we just walked a path there.
Just a path right to it. But birdhouses, no birdhouses.
Unless there's birdhouses on that side.
There's only one birdhouse in the playground.
You're cute.
Oh, birdhouse. But it's right by the Milwaukee County Zoo. So that's really cool. So I guess the tourism, there is stuff to do out here. I would have to look more into seeing, you know, why businesses would pay their tourism dollars here to bring in tourists. There's got to be other things out here, right?
Something like that.
There's I believe that the Texas Brazil that we always go to when we don't want to go to Schaumburg is really close to this, and that person does not. Oh, maybe they were not parallel parking. Maybe they think they're handicapped. I don't know. All right, but anyways, yeah, another Thomas Dambo troll checked off the list. If we can ever get the Detroit Lakes and hit all those trolls, that'd be awesome. We probably wouldn't do all the portals because we're not crazy like the carpetbagger where we're gonna drive all the way to Fargo just to see a portal.
That might be.
Unless we want to be completionist.
I mean, it's just a portal.
It's just a portal with
an
the hands,
arm.
yeah, sticking out of it. So, but yeah, definitely want to get up to Detroit Lakes. Definitely want to get the 2 in Seattle. Want to get the 2 in Colorado. Definitely we'll hit up the one in Florida. It's pretty beat up. It's all graffitied on there, but it kind of gives it character. Is it cool to put someone else's artwork on top of someone else's artwork? You know. But I don't know. It says that rusty one in New Jersey was like closed or something. So I don't know what's going on with that one. It never says it's like open or whatever.
Mm.
So I don't know if you can see it from the street or they just don't want you near it because kids are getting cut because it's made out of steel or something. But yeah, there's a lot of Wauwatosa police. Like I said, the police station is right there. They keep driving around here. I'm sure they're gonna make a killing in parking restrictions because we're parked on the side where it looks like parking, but then they don't want you to park in front of mailboxes. So I'm sure they'll start giving tickets or something eventually here, and they'll make back all their money for the neutral and the new park.
True.
So, but I believe there's a lot of good restaurants over here. I think we went to Wahlburgers somewhere over here, which wasn't that great.
That was not a good restaurant.
But yeah, I think that Raw Bar is over here. So we've definitely been around this area a lot. So all right, well, we are gonna go and do some other things today. So this is probably be the end here. So if you like these videos, like and subscribe. Leave a comment, thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. All right, so I got a whole bunch of Dave's Hot Chickens tagged. So we're gonna end up at a Dave's Hot Chicken. It also has a Qdoba Mexican Eats. I used to really love Qdoba, like way before Chipotle, because there used to be Baja Fresh, Qdoba, and then Chipotle kind of took over. But the last couple times I've had Qdoba, it's not been that great. All right, so the Dave's Hot Chicken in Wauwatosa. So another reason to come and see a Thomas Dambo troll, you can get hot chicken. There's a little drive away. Still in the same city. So after we got back from Punta Cana, we were supposed to be on a diet. I'm failing on this day one, and I'm already jacked it up. Yep. I got the rocket with rocket cream. It's like a fruit punch or raspberry and a little cream on top. All right, got my hot Dave bags. Been looking forward to this for a good week. We were gonna go to Bradley Coop for the cronut, but we were still on a plane. So Dave's Hot Chicken it is.